that seems to be heating up. And all eyes are now also on actor turned politician Vijay, who is set to make his electoral debut. In a big statement earlier today, the TVK General Secretary Aadav Arjuna has now confirmed that Vijay himself is keen on contesting from a North Chennai constituency. Arjuna strongly pitched for Perambur and following it up with other options that are also said to be under consideration.
Perambur தொகுதியில நிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு தீர்மானம். அதே மாதிரி நம்ம அண்ணன் நம்ம தலைவர் கொளத்தூர் தொகுதியிலே நிக்கணும்னு நம்ம நினைக்கிறோம். ஆர்கே நகர்ல நிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறோம். அந்த மாதிரி வட சென்னையில எனக்கு.
So as you just heard the TVK General Secretary referring to at least 3 North Chennai constituencies, Perambur, Kolattur and also RK Nagar. And as these seats are being enthusiastically pitched by the party functionaries, earlier sources suggest that Vijay may opt for a seat that begins from the letter V. Now, interestingly, none of these constituencies or these seats that I've highlighted actually begin with the letter V. That adds another layer of intrigue altogether. Well, Dharani, is there any, well thought out plan or a calculation or something that is on the mind of Vijay, because his party is making the electoral debut, but will Vijay also take that plunge?
Well, as far as the constituency in which Vijay will be contesting, there is a lot of confusion at the moment that is prevailing in Tamil Nadu Vetri Kalagam. In fact, earlier, sources suggested that Vijay will be contesting from a constituency that starts with the letter V. But now what we're given to understand is that there is a high possibility of Vijay contesting from 2 constituencies. One constituency might be in Chennai and the other might be in any of the Tier 2 cities is what our sources tell us. So discussions are all on the table at the moment, and everything is in the surface level talks. So we have to wait and see if at all there is going to be any official confirmation. But today, TVK General Secretary for Election Management Aadav Arjuna has dropped a big hint. He has told that if at all Vijay is contesting from Chennai, he will contest from one of the seats that is in North Chennai, because according to Vijay, North Chennai is less developed. In fact, North Chennai has not seen as much development as the other parts of Chennai. So he feels that it is only right for him to contest from a constituency that is less developed, and it is only right for him to contest from
hint dropping that has now been done on part of the TVK there, because 3 seats that have been mentioned so far remains to be seen if they will circle back or decide on any seat which Vijay himself is likely to contest in the upcoming elections. Here's what the TVK leader said.
Perambur தொகுதியில நிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு தீர்மானம். அதே மாதிரி நம்ம அண்ணன் நம்ம தலைவர் கொளத்தூர் தொகுதியிலே நிக்கணும்னு நம்ம நினைக்கிறோம். ஆர்கே நகர்ல நிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறோம். அந்த மாதிரி வட சென்னையில எனக்கு தெரியும் அவர் மைண்ட் வட சென்னையில எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல இருக்கும்.
Now, having sights on